Hello everyone, welcome back to another day of me building my application journey. And for those of you who are new to this, I'm going to explain you what I am building. I'm actually building a V application, which is a community driven support and assistance platform where you can basically post your help requests and people around you and nearby can volunteer on it. In fact, if it is a query or something, then people from around the world can also volunteer on your request. Similarly, you can also request on other people's posts for anything or any help they want. For these amount of everything that you do, you earn certain credits that you can use for your helps later on. So it builds a cycle of help and get help later. So far so good. Yesterday I was doing some marketing stuff and building my pages, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn for publishing my app stories and also publishing my reels for there. So today I have changed some plans for it, that I don't want to sell the product, because sometimes what happens when you try to sell your product too much, people don't want it. But as Steve Jobs said, don't sell your product, sell your vision, and that is very important. So from now on, what I will try to focus is not to sell my product, but instead of sell my vision, sell my idea, sell what I'm trying to build here, so that people can connect and we can build something great here. So without wasting any time, let's get started today. So guys, today's content has gone on to Instagram. I know the engagement is not coming that much, but I have created this reel. I will show you a little sneak peek of how it's looking.
न्यूयॉर्क में भयंकर बर्फीला तूफान आया था। शाकायरा अपने बच्चों को नहीं ला पाई थी। मन उदास था। तभी सुबह 6 बजे।
Now I'm basically trying to post user stories of how people have helped out other people, and I just want to make this vision in their people's mind that giving help and taking help is something that should be more promoted, and in times of need only people can come up to help each other. And my app's purpose is also that, but I don't want to sell my product as something that I want to take money out of their pocket. But what I want to show them is my vision, and which they can do it by the means of my application to help people in nearby their area. So that is why I'm trying to focus more on user stories, so that people understand that this thing is very much required.
बूढ़ा आदमी बर्फ में फंसा था। न दस्ताने न होश। -15 डिग्री सेल्सियस में कांपता हुआ, मरने की कगार पर। उन्होंने उसे अंदर बुलाया। उसके जूते शरीर से चिपक चुके थे, हाथ बर्फ से जमे थे। 911 को कॉल किया, पर कोई मदद नहीं आई। तो शाकायरा ने फेसबुक लाइव पर मदद मांगी। एक NFL खिलाड़ी और उसके जीजा आए और उस आदमी को अस्पताल पहुंचाया। उसने 9 उंगलियां खो दी, पर जान बच गई, क्योंकि एक अनजान औरत ने डरने के बजाय दरवाजा खोला। उसी रात उसने उसे पैनकेक खिलाया, मूवी दिखाई और अपना क्रिसमस उसे दे दिया।
So guys, wrapping up today's day, and there were quite a few issues that were raised again by the App Store review team, and they do check the app very thoroughly, and they raise again some quite couple of feedbacks, like regarding location services, data collection and storage, and some app complaints. There was one issue that they found that when they were trying to delete an account, it was getting stuck in the loading part. Hopefully I've tried to fix each of these issues in the recent commits. I will try to push, and again I will submit my application for review, and everything now in my application looks pretty fine. Everything is working correctly as they wanted. I've also removed the restriction for enabling location into the application. Now when you want to see post locally, then only you would have to enable location. Otherwise it will not be required, and you can see at that time the global post that are live. So I think after all these resolutions, my app should be good for by the app review team from the app store, and hopefully everything would work fine. If there are any other issues they will raise, then again of course I would have to solve them. But for today I will wrap up the day. Thank you guys for watching and continuing and being a part of the journey. Hope you are liking this series, and do give me any feedback you have regarding it, and meet you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.